Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find a booking in the British Airways application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you're done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will see three lines. Press on it. And here you should just select the second option, which is find a booking. And here you have to write in the booking reference and your last name, and after that all you have to do is just press on find the booking and you will be able to find the booking that you are looking for. Now of course it's really important to be aware that the information that you provide here needs to be correct, otherwise you won't be able to find your booking. But it's pretty easy to do. All you have to do is just pay a little bit of attention. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.